This is a brief tutorial on how to use the tools provided by the EBSCO host vendor once you have found an article that you want to use for your research. The list of tools can be found on the right-hand side. The first in this list is for Google Drive. If you click on this, it will ask you to sign in to your Google Drive if you are not already. Once you have signed in, it will then allow you to save it directly into your Google Drive. The next useful tool that I want to talk about is how to print. If you have a printer connected to the computer you are using, you can click Print, and it will bring up a print dialog box and allow you to print that directly to the printer. The fourth tool down is the email button. If we click email, it will bring up a form where you can enter your email address, subject, and comments, as well as choose what part of the article is sent and how, as well as the citation format. If you click Save under Tools, it will open up a new window with the pertinent information that you'll then be able to right-click and save onto your computer. As you can see on this new screen, there are directions at the top depending on what browser you are using. And then if you scroll through, there is the publication information followed by the article itself. We'll back up to the previous screen. The other tools that will be useful for saving and keeping the article are the Permalink button further down. If you click on the Permalink button, this will bring up a URL right above the title in the middle of the page. This URL will permanently link you back to this article, whereas if you choose the URL at the top of the page, it won't work after a certain amount of time. So the permalink is the link that you want to keep if you are using this article later on. And then finally, you can use the Cite button, which will provide you a list of citation styles that you can then take the information and refer back to this article later. One note on this is that you want to make sure that you use the similar citation styles, and if you're unsure of how to do this, please refer to our Noodle Tools tutorials and use the Noodle Tools program to create your citations that way. Thank you, and that is how you use the tools belonging to EBSCO Host.